Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Edge and reinstall cleanly, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Microsoft Edge, first, press the Windows key on your keyboard. Then, type Settings and hit Enter. In the Settings window, click on Apps. On the left sidebar, select Apps and Features. Scroll down and click on Microsoft Edge to reveal options. If you see an option for uninstall, click on it. Follow any prompts to complete the uninstallation process. If Edge does not appear to have an uninstall option, you will need to use a different method. Open the Start menu and type PowerShell. Right-click on Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. In the PowerShell window, type the following command: get axe package Microsoft Edge. Wait for the process to finish, which may take a moment. Once completed, Microsoft Edge should be uninstalled from your system. Next, let's move on to reinstalling Microsoft Edge cleanly. Open your preferred web browser. Visit the official Microsoft Edge download page. Click on the download button to get the latest version. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click the Edge installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall Microsoft Edge. After installation, launch Microsoft Edge to ensure it's working properly. You may need to log in with your Microsoft account to restore your settings, bookmarks, and passwords. For a clean setup, you may want to clear any existing data. To do this, click on the three-dot menu in the upper right corner and select Settings. In the Settings menu, go to Privacy, Search. Your browser should now be running smoothly and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.